Select the payment option at the left side of the screen. Tap on the radar option below it. When you open the radar, there will be this payment fraud tracking, and you can watch the payments that was made for your product. You may then go to the rules subpage over here. You can add more rules to be more stricter regarding the payment, but you may also filter it by clicking on all the options at the top right here. For example, we're gonna click on the block filter. And to be more cautious about the fraud, you may enable these two options of the block rules. So click on the 3 points besides it and tap on the enable button. Click on enable rule button and do the same thing with the postal code risk. And you are good to go. This way, your radar will be more strict regarding the payment. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.